This brief video will show you how to correctly put on and use the WatchPAT sleep diagnostic device. You should put the WatchPAT device on when you are already in your pajamas just before getting into bed. Open the WatchPAT case. You will find a helpful illustrated guide in the side pocket. Make sure the fingernails of that hand are trimmed and without polish. Remove all jewelry and avoid hand cream. Optional step: placement of snore and body position sensor. Optional sensor: follow instructions only if you see the sensor attached to the WatchPAT. Thread the cable through your pajama sleeve up to the neck opening. Peel the backing from the small round sticker of the sensor. Attach the sensor to the sternum just below the sternal notch. Trim or shave chest hair if needed. Secure the sensor in place with medical tape. You'll be putting the WatchPAT on your non-dominant hand. Here you see how a right-handed person puts the device on his left hand. Place the WatchPAT on a flat surface. Insert your hand and close the wrist strap, making sure it's snug but not too tight. Place the PAT probe on your index finger. If your index finger is too large for the PAT probe, you can choose another finger that fits better. For example, your pinky. Choose carefully. Once in place, the PAT probe cannot be removed and placed on a different finger. Insert your index finger all the way into the probe. The tab labeled top should be situated on the top side of your finger. While pushing against the surface like a table or your leg, gently and firmly remove the tab. Be careful not to twist the probe. You are now ready to turn the WatchPAT on. Get into bed and press firmly on the round button for a few seconds. Keep pressing until Itamar Medical is displayed on the LCD screen. After about 30 seconds, a good night in the middle of the screen indicates that the study has started. If there is a problem, you will see Test Aborted. In that case, note the error code and call the help desk. WatchPAT is now working properly, and it's time to go to sleep. In the morning, remove the PAT probe from your finger. Remove the device from your hand. The SBP sensor if attached. WatchPAT cannot be turned off. Now return the device along with the PAT probe, SBP if attached, to the case. Return the illustrated guide to the case. That's all there is to it. If you follow carefully the steps presented here, you should have a successful WatchPAT sleep diagnostic test. Thanks for watching.